Let us revise the placental grading. Grade 0 is said when it is less than 18 weeks of pregnancy and the placenta will have a uniform echogenicity and a smooth chorionic plate. Grade 1 is said to be present when the pregnancy is 18 to 29 weeks of gestation and there is occasional parenchymal calcification or hyperechoic areas and there is subtle indentation in the chorionic plate. So in the grade 1 placenta there is nothing which can reach up to the basal plate, that is the basal plate is neat and clean, but the chorionic plate might have some hyperechoic areas or slight indentations. Here you can see that this is a grade 1 placenta and the chorionic plate is nearly smooth but of occasional indentations which can be seen and some hyperechoic areas in the placenta at times. This is another example of the grade 1 placenta. You can see that the basal plate is nearly neat and clean and the chorionic plate shows some indentations, but these subtle indentations, they are not reaching to the basal plate. So this is a case of grade 1 maturity of the placenta. This is the grade 0 placenta where you can see that the placenta is absolutely smooth. The chorionic plate as well as the basal plate both appear to be of uniform echogenicity and smooth in outline. So this is grade 0 placenta. So let us revise now. The grade 0 is when the chorionic plate and the basal plate both appear to have a uniform outline and there is uniform echogenicity of the placenta, then it is called as grade 0 placenta, generally seen in gestation less than 18 weeks of pregnancy. And grade 1 is when the occasional areas of chorionic plate indentations are seen and occasional calcification may be seen in the basal plate and the occasional areas of hyperechogenicity can be seen in the placenta. Grade 1 placenta is generally seen in a gestational age of 18 to 29 weeks. And coming to grade 2 gestation placenta or the grade 2 of the placenta, which is seen in the 30 to 38 weeks of gestation, and you find that the indentations which started from the chorionic plate have reached deep inside the placenta, but they have still not reached the basal plate. There is increased calcification of the basal plate and the chorionic plate shows clear indentations. But the third grade placenta, which is seen at more than 39 weeks of gestation, but the grade 3 placenta will be seen in patients with more than 39 weeks of gestation. There will be whole of the basal plate might get calcified. There will be deep indentations in the chorionic plate and the cotyledon formation. The indentations will run from the chorionic plate to the basal plate, and this will be called as the grade 3 or the hypermature placenta. In case it is found early, one should look for the smoking, chronic hypertension, diabetes or collagen vascular disorders in these patients. Thank you very much. I hope you like our video. In case you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the like button and share the video among your friends so that large number of people can be benefited. Thank you very much.